parked. All right, happy Friday, guys. We made it to the weekend, and we're starting the morning off with some very strong winds that we were talking about this happening, and mostly for the Inland Empire, but some breezy conditions. And at the ridge tops for some areas out towards Simi Valley, you're seeing winds up to about 30 miles per hour, and that goes into some of the Malibu hills as well, into Burbank, and then down into the IE at the ridge tops, you're seeing winds closer to about 50 miles per hour, and even exceeding that. We could see some up to 60 today. These are the damaging winds where we could see some downed power lines. Unfortunately, this is down toward that fire that's burning in Hemet, and this is going to make for a really difficult firefight early today. However, heading into later today, we do have some rain that will be moving in. Nothing yet on Live Video Doppler 7000 HD, but it is getting closer, and we'll be here soon for some of those southern communities, at least by late morning, early afternoon. Excessive heat warnings still in place, so it's still going to be hot, still going to be humid, mostly because we're going to see cooler temperatures today, but those overnight lows are remaining very warm, so we do still have the heat warnings. All right, flood watches in place as well. We can see mud debris flow for some of the recent burn scar areas, so just make sure you're using caution wherever you are in any of these spots. The IE, that goes even for the IE valleys, and then the mountain communities as well, Riverside, San Bernardino, Los Angeles County mountains as well. And then as we head into the next couple days, things will finally start to wind down a little bit, but we are about to see this pick up as we head into later today. High surf advisories in place too, and not only for the mountain communities where we could see some mud flow and debris flow, but we could see some localized street flooding as well. But it looks like the bulk of this is happening in the overnight hours, so hopefully it won't affect driving too much for you. It has shifted a little bit. High wind warnings because of the strong gusty conditions that we're seeing, up to about 60 miles per hour for some areas of the IE mountains, and then we have wind advisories too for the deserts, and then even out toward Los Angeles, the coastline down into Orange County as well. It is warm out there. It's about 86 in Riverside, same for Palm Springs, 81 in Van Nuys. The beaches, really warm to make its way here. As we get into late morning, you can see by about 10 o'clock, we start to see some more showers through the low desert, and then getting closer to Temecula, still in the early afternoon, about 1:30, seeing some showers, moderate at times there. And then by tonight, this is looking at about 9:30, we start to see it move into Los Angeles, some of the coastal communities, moderate to heavy at times. And then by about 1 o'clock this morning, it continues to shift northward, continuing to be widespread. But if you take a look at about 6 to 8 a.m. tomorrow, it looks like then we're just dealing with some scattered showers. This could still change though, so give or take a couple hours on both ends here. And